Looking for the perfect printer for your home in 2025? Whether you need crisp documents, vibrant photos, or budget-friendly ink solutions, we've tested and ranked the very best options out there. Stick around as we count down the top 5 best home printers of 2025. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon Image Class LBPP632CDW. The Canon Image Class LBPP632CDW is a reliable color laser printer designed for small offices or busy households needing high-quality prints without the fuss. This model excels in producing sharp, vibrant documents at a speedy 22 pages per minute (ppm) for both color and monochrome, making it ideal for users who prioritize efficiency. Its compact design, measuring 18.2 x 11.5 inches and weighing 35.3 pounds, fits comfortably in tight spaces, while Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB connectivity ensure seamless integration with various devices, including support for Apple AirPrint and Mopria print service. The printer's 250-sheet paper tray, plus a 1-sheet manual feed, handles diverse media types, from envelopes to cardstock, though it lacks scanning or copying functions, focusing solely on printing. With a low cost per page due to high-yield toner cartridges, it's economical for moderate print volumes, yielding up to 300 black or 2300 color pages. The 5-inch color touchscreen simplifies navigation, and duplex printing saves paper, though it's not the fastest for photos. Setup is straightforward, but the initial toner cartridges have limited capacity, so budgeting for replacements is wise. Perfect for text-heavy documents, the LBP632CDW delivers crisp output, though its photo quality is average for a laser printer. Its robust build and quiet operation make it a dependable choice for home offices, but heavy photo printers may prefer inkjet alternatives. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2980. The Epson EcoTank ET2980 is a versatile all-in-one inkjet printer tailored for home and small office use, offering print, scan, and copy functions with a super tank system that slashes ink costs. Replacing the ET2850, it boasts improved print speeds of 10.5 ppm for black and 5 ppm for color, alongside automatic duplex printing to save paper. Its ink bottles yield an impressive 8500 black or 6500 color pages, making it a budget-friendly option for high-volume printing, with refills costing significantly less than traditional cartridges. The printer supports Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, plus Apple AirPrint and Mopria, ensuring easy connectivity across devices. Measuring 14.8 x 13.7 x 7.4 inches and weighing 13.2 pounds, it's compact and easy to move. The 100-sheet rear tray handles various paper types, though the scanner lacks an automatic document feeder, making multi-page scans tedious, and scan quality is mediocre due to overprocessing. Photo printing is a strength with a wide color gamut and decent accuracy, though slower at 1 to 2 minutes per photo. The 1.4-inch color LCD is small but functional, and setup via Epson's app is simple, despite a clunky interface. While not ideal for heavy scanning, its low running costs and solid photo quality make it a great pick for families or small businesses. Number 3. Brother HL L2460DW. The Brother HL L2460DW is a monochrome laser printer built for efficiency, perfect for home offices or students needing fast, high-quality text documents. It delivers crisp prints at up to 36 ppm, with a first page out time of just 8.5 seconds, ensuring minimal wait times. Its compact footprint, 14.0 x 14.2 x 7.2 inches, 15.6 pounds, fits neatly on a desk, while Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and mobile printing options like AirPrint and Brothers app offer flexible connectivity. The 250-sheet paper tray supports legal-size paper and envelopes, though it's print-only, lacking scan or copy features. High-yield toner cartridges provide up to 3,000 pages, keeping costs around 3.7 cents per page, competitive for laser printers. Automatic duplex printing reduces paper use, and the printer's sturdy build ensures durability, though the one-line monochrome LCD feels dated. Setup is quick, and its quiet operation minimizes disruptions. While it doesn't print in color or handle photos well, its text output is flawless, with sharp professional results. For users focused on black and white documents, the HL-L2460DW balances speed, affordability, and reliability, though those needing multifunction capabilities should look elsewhere. A 1-year toner subscription option adds convenience, making it a low-maintenance choice for busy households. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET855. The Epson EcoTank ET855 is a premium all-in-one inkjet printer designed for photo enthusiasts and home offices, delivering stunning, vibrant prints up to A3+ size. Its 6-color SuperTank system yields up to 7,200 color pages, with low-cost refills ensuring economical operation. Print speeds reach 16 ppm for black and 12 ppm for color, with photo printing taking about 1 to 2 minutes per 4 or 6 image, offering exceptional detail and a wide color gamut. The printer supports Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and mobile printing via AirPrint and Epson's app, with a 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Measuring 20.7 x on 16.1 x 6.6 inches and weighing 24.1 pounds, it's larger but supports diverse media, including cardstock and glossy paper via a 100-sheet rear tray and 20-sheet photo tray. The flatbed scanner handles up to A3 documents, though it lacks an ADF, and scan quality is excellent for photos. Duplex printing is automatic, and setup is user-friendly, though the app can feel sluggish. While not the fastest for text, its photo quality rivals professional printers, making it ideal for creative projects. The ET855's quiet operation and robust build make it a top choice for quality-focused users, though its price is higher than most home printers. Number 1. Canon Megatank G3270. Topping our list, the Canon Megatank Pixma G3270 is an all-in-one inkjet printer that blends affordability, quality, and low running costs for home use. Its SuperTank system yields an impressive 6,000 black or 7,700 color pages, with ink bottles costing far less than cartridges, making it ideal for high-volume printing. Printing at 11 ppm for black and 6 ppm for color, it delivers crisp documents and vibrant photos, especially when using photo paper, though it lacks auto-duplex printing, requiring manual page flipping. The G3270 supports Wi-Fi, USB, and AirPrint, ensuring easy connectivity, and its compact size, 16.4 x 13.3 x 7 inches, 13.2 pounds, fits small spaces. The 100-sheet rear tray handles various media, and the flatbed scanner, while slow, produces decent scans at up to 600 dpi from a computer. The 1.4-inch monochrome LCD is basic but functional, and setup is quick via Canon's app. While it lacks advanced features like an ADF or touchscreen, its photo quality with accurate colors and minimal banding rivals pricier models. Perfect for families or home offices, the G3270 offers exceptional value, though heavy scanners may want faster alternatives. Its sleek design in black or white adds style, making it our top pick for 2025.